Cardano ADA to $1,000. Coin Bureau predicts explosion. Cardano ADA news today. Cardano's coming upgrade, Alonzo, will be a game changer for the smart contract platform. There is a lot of pessimism in general surrounding the upgrade, with odds being 59 against 41 based on the Polymarket prediction market. Today we're going to talk all about what Coin Bureau just predicted about the Cardano price. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 3rd of September, shall we? Cardano ADA has been in a bullish triangle since August 20th. The ascending green trend line of that triangle got confirmed 3 times during the life cycle of the triangle, demonstrating the importance of the trend line. Upwards, for the flat baseline, $3.04 got tested once on August 29th. Price retreated quickly the day after, however, showing that short-term profit was taken and that sellers have this level marked up as a good entry point for them. Cardano still has excellent upside potential. The reason for this possible bull trap unfolding comes from 2 reasons. The first reason is the way buyers gain control. The green ascending trend line from July 20th was chopped up on August 30th and did not look very proper as an entry point. One good element to remember is that ADA could push above the 55-day simple moving average, SMA, but the risk to the upside is the triple belt of resistance hanging over the current price action. A daily close above $3.04 is so important because this will attract more buyers into the trade. The $3.04 level will then turn into support and act as a jumping point towards $3.40. If we do not get a daily close, this could indicate that there has been too much profit taking and that the trade is weakening. Sellers will try to push price action toward the green ascending trend line of the triangle again. A break lower could push ADA to $2.30. That's the level where the triangle started, and just above there is the monthly pivot at $2.35. Now let's get back to the topic. A pseudonymous head of Coin Bureau, who goes by Guy, stated on YouTube that he is expecting that several major projects in the crypto space, Cardano included, will get major achievements in the next couple of weeks. The Cardano network has been receiving upgrades and developments at this time of its growth. It's at its Goguen phase, which dictates bringing smart contracts to the network. The roadmap is the 3rd phase after Bryon and Shelley, and it was split into Allegra, Mary, and Alonzo. First, Allegra went live in December 2020. Mary, on the other hand, went live on March 1st this year. That makes the Alonzo upgrade the final one to conclude the Goguen era. The Alonzo upgrade is split into 3 phases, blue, white, and purple, to break it down further. The final upgrade deployment on the mainnet was scheduled for August 2021 this month, but there have been delays because its testnet is still in progress. The Cardano community has been waiting eagerly for Alonzo, which brings the smart contract functionality to the network since it enables decentralized applications, dApps, on the blockchain. Just the beginning for ADA. Pseudonymous head of Coin Bureau, Guy, believes that the later phases of the Alonzo phase of ADA will stress the smart contract scalability of Cardano and reliability and try to capture any issues that remain in the system after the deployment of smart contracts. From a price perspective, Guy points to Cardano's large community and that early investors were fully vested long ago as signs of the coin's strength. He added that he could see the price of ADA reaching to $5 by the end of 2021. Assuming that Bitcoin sees another surge in September or even November. Despite the many developments that Cardano has made since it was launched, with smart contracts being released, it's just the beginning for ADA. It's exciting and terrifying at the same time, he says, because so much is at stake with the success of the smart contracts. Coin Bureau also talked about the 72% of staked ADA. The Cardano network is currently experiencing low utility, which in turn is affecting the staking of ADA. Data shows that about 72% of all ADA tokens staked about $30 billion of approximately $42 billion market capitalization. It comprises 2,745 active pools with a total of around 716,000 addresses. ADA staking is far more versatile than other protocols' traditional staking techniques. Stakers can access their tokens at a time of choice, making it convenient to stake on the network. Adding smart contracts will impact a high portion of staking in the network, and staking will drop significantly due to more use cases. The ADA coin price changed significantly in early 2021. This was a time of significant growth in the crypto market, and people would have to change and even create their own ADA predictions. On the 1st of January, the coin opened up at $0.1814. By the 16th of January, it had more than doubled to $0.3654. This was followed by some steady progression, and ADA's intraday low of $0.4396 on the 5th of February was followed by an intraday high of $0.5567 the same day, a rise of more than a quarter in just hours. ADA and Cardano have not stopped there though, because on the 10th of February, the coin reached an intraday high of $0.9439, up almost 70% in the space of 5 days. By now, it seemed inevitable that the ADA coin price would break through the dollar barrier, which it did on the 20th of February, closing at $1.12. It reached a new all-time high on the 27th of February of $1.48. Although there was some retreat from that particular level, with an intraday low of $0.9931 on the 13th of March, it spent most of the next month above the dollar mark, and there was growth in April, with it reaching $1.56 on the 14th of April. Again though, the peak was followed by a trough, and it fell to an intraday low of $0.9352 on the 23rd of April before recovering to close at $1.16. It was after this blip that things started to get encouraging for the crypto's followers. ADA closed at $1.55 on the 12th of May, but that was actually down from the day's intraday high of $1.82. 2 days later, it broke $2 for the first time and reached an all-time high of $2.46 on the 16th of May. However, storm clouds were on the horizon, and the great crypto day crash of the 19th of May saw ADA nearly halve from its intraday high of $2.03 to an intraday low of $1.03. While there was some recovery and it closed the day at $1.48, it looked as if the damage had been done, and the ADA coin price stayed below the $2 mark. Cardano price is $3 right now. What of the future? What sort of ADA predictions are there? What is the Cardano price prediction for 2021 and beyond? Let's take a look. Long-term coin price predictions are made using computer algorithms and should never be taken as an accurate forecast. Wallet Investor is bullish about its ADA coin price prediction. It forecasts the crypto will hit $3.928 in a year's time and $11.01 in 5 years. Coin Price Forecasts ADA coin price prediction for 2021 sees the coin hit $3 by the end of the year. The same site suggests that ADA will hit $5 in 2023 and should finally break through the $10 barrier at some point in 2031. Digital Coin Price says that the ADA coin price could be $3.70 in August 2022. August 2023 could see it go up to $4.14. And a year from then, it could reach $5.04. In August 2025, the forecast price is $5.96, and 12 months from then, the ADA coin price could be $7.06. There could be a slight rise to $7.90 in August 2027, and the site's ADA coin price prediction for August 2028 is $8.95. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!